With the start of the warm greeting, our team ID is PNT2022 TMID11102. Our topic is about the IoT based smart crop protection system for agriculture. Our team members are Suresh Kumar, Sendil Raja, Soundar Rajan, and Saran Kumar. First, I just tell about the project overview. Crops in farm may be affected by the animals like buffalo or any kind of a birds leads to the heavy loss for the farmers. It also farmers every time to secure the crops by seeing and looking over it. There is some IoT based system we just developed to protect the crops by using the microcontroller that sound alarm to move the animals from the fields, as well as by sending the SMS towards the farmers about the injurious occurrence to the crops. Our purpose, our ultimate aim of our crop protection system to develop the intuition alert to the farm about losses to any of the crops, and also it not just not harmful and it's not making harmful or injurious to any of the animals by but only sending the warm greeting to the farmers. Our literature survey, that's literature survey is about the paper already taken and the proposed solution by the different professionals or any of the individuals or any of the professors and professionals. They referred with some of the application toward the IoT based system to the crop protection system. Also they mention about the what the problems facing till now by the farmers, and also they develop the problem statement regarding that. Next, we just develop the ideation and proposed solution and empathy map canvas. Empathy map canvas deals with the four types of the coordinates. Is deals with thinks, feeds, says, and what is this. And we just mentioned about the ideation brainstorm. It deals with about the 360 view of the our software, what their temperature like humidity, and how to store the data, where to store the data, like that. Next, our idea prioritization is about the how the feasibility importance varies according to low and highs. And as our proposed solutions is about the as we discussed already, that to not injurious to any of the birds or animals, but we just making alarm and making a triggering to animal to get away from the crops. We just mentioned about the idea solution descriptions and the novelty uniqueness of the and social impact and the business mode like cost effective grain mode, and also we just mentioning about the scalability for the solutions. And also we just develop a problem solution fit like customer registration and customer constraints, available solutions, behavior, problem about cars, root of cars, triggering, what is making to trigger, etc. And we are just speaker about the we just mentioning about the requirement analysis like functional requirements that includes the user requirement, user registration, user consumption, payment options, product delivery, and installations like a doorstep or a free installation, like a installation within the 1 year or a free of the cost. Also we just mentioning about the product feedback, etc. And non-functional requirement we just mentioning here the usability, security, performance, reliability, availability, and the scalability. And also we just the our design project design on how the data flow working through the software, and how the farmers fetching between towards the software, how they register towards the server, how they work with the software. And also we just mentioning about the architecture that we are used, how what are the code, what are the data storing element, what are the web, what are the node, what just we use, and what are the sensor we are using. We are just mentioning through the architecture. Next, we are just mentioning about the super stories of how the users, what are the problems, what are the priority, what is the team member working towards those stories. And we are just mentioning about the project planning and scheduling and the sprints, what are the estimation towards. We are just mentioning about the graphs like what the sprint durations towards the velocities. And just we are mentioning for the coding and solutions towards our problem or for the implementation of the software and the applications. And we deliver four types of the sprints that to protect the crop vegetables like bird by using the psychoelectric buzzer with the Arduino. And we are just mentioning about the moisture circuit to detect the moisture level in the soil. And also we just introduce the sprint to off by creation of IBM Arts and Cloud Platform. We just mentioned diagrammatically towards our PDF. And just we are just mentioning about the internet of things device drill down etc, and just we are mentioning about the python script code towards it. And these are the view of the output towards our python script code. And just we are just to, represent about the sprint 3 and the usage of the code red that writing the program towards the software that nothing but the node red. And it is also a fine plus programming towards the internet of things. These are the representation of a smart craft rotation towards the they vary towards the groups and their implementation of the node red. And the delivery of the sprint 4 deals with the displaying of application like the temperature, humidity, and mentioning about the architecture, how they're working, and what are the function requirements towards that, and how they interface towards the customer with the app, what are the facilities they are showing fetching in front of the display. This is a MIT invented app to design app and to display the values that we are mentioning. Thank you for giving these opportunities to make the knowledge towards the IoT based system by the knowledge theorem work. Thank you.